Here we are back again with another amazing video. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here and supporting us. Your support according our channel is phenomenal. In our today's video, I'm going to show you some railroad spike craft ideas and art ideas that you can sell online and earn a handsome amount or a kitchen money. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are looking for a unique and rustic touch to add your home decor or jewelry collection, look no further than railroad spike craft and art. These versatile material can be transformed into a variety of beautiful and functional pieces, from wall art, coat knock, and a bracelet and the earrings. Here are some creative ideas to turning railroad spikes into a work of art that you can sell online. The first one is bottle opener. Flatten the top of spike and bend it into a handle shape, then sharpen the end to create a functional bottle opener. Then the second one is wall art. Arrange a several spike into a pattern and design and mount them on a wooden board or a canvas for a striking piece of wall art. Third one is jewelry. Cut and shape spike into a bracelet, necklace, and the earrings, and add decorative beads or a wire wrap for a unique look. The fourth one is a coat rack. Bend and shape several spikes into a hook and mount them on a piece of reclaimed wood or metal to create a stylish and the functional coat rack. Garden art. Use a spike to create a garden stakes, trestles, or other decorative enchant for your outdoor space. And you can also make a beautiful kitchen. Flatten and shape a spike into a small hook and attach to a keyring for a durable and a stylish kitchen. Create sturdy, stylish book by mounting spike on wooden base. When selling your railroad spikes creation online, be sure to include a highly quality photo that show the unique details and texture of your material. Consider creating a brand or theme for your product, such as rustic, industrial, railroad chic, aesthetic to appeal and the specific audience. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can turn railroad spikes into a beautiful work art that are sure to be hit with the customer online. Railroad spikes craft art can be a unique and interesting item to sell online. Here are some potential benefits. The first one is unique and handmade. Railroad spikes craft and art are often unique and handmade, which can make them stand out from mass product items. This can be attractive to buyers who are looking for something special and one of kind. The second one is recyclable and sustainable. Road spikes are often salvaged or swaggered and repurposed, which can appeal to environmentally conscious buyer. By using recycled material, you can also save a cost of which can help to increase your profit margin. Railroad spikes can have a nostalgic and historical value to them, especially for those interested in trains and the railroads. This can be create a sense of sentimentality and increase their value. Railroad spikes craft and art can take many forms, such as bottle opener, knives, hooks, and the sculptures. This versatility allows you to cater to a variety of buyers with a different interest and the taste. Railroad spikes can be a relatively expensive, especially if you are able to source them locally. This can make it a low cost and low risk venture to start. When selling online, be sure to take a high quality photo and write clear description of your item. Consider creating a brand or theme for your product to make them more recognizable and admirable to a potential buyer. Finally, use social media and other marketing strategies to reach your audience and drive your sales and earn a handsome amount that can be run your kitchen and in a better way. Railroad spacecraft and art have gained popularity in many parts of the world, especially in regions where rails are a significant part of the history and the culture. It's difficult to point out a specific area of the world where the trend is most prevalent and the relevant, as it varies based on a different factors such as local interest, cultural traditions, and the artistic preferences. Basically, in USA, railroad spikes have become popular in areas where rails are played a crucial role in the country history and development, such as American West. Similarly, in Europe, railroad spikes have gained popularity in a country with rich rail heritage, such as United Kingdom and Germany. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more inspiring video.